The armed forces of the Russian Federation continued launching attacks with high precision, long-range air-based armament at the military control and energy system facilities of Ukraine. The goals of the attacks have been reached. All the assigned targets have been neutralized. Preemptive fire attack launched by Russian artillery has resulted in the frustration of an attempt made by the 92nd Mechanized Brigade of the Armed Forces of Ukraine to launch an offensive towards Bersama in Kharkov region at Kupiansk direction. Up to 50 Ukrainian personnel, 5 armored combat vehicles and 3 pickups with large-caliber machine guns have been eliminated. 3 US-manufactured M777 howitzers have been destroyed near Zagryzobo in Kharkov region. Moreover, 1 ferry installed by the Ukrainian armed forces over the Oskol River for redeployment of reserve forces delivering ordnance and supplies has been destroyed near Dvurechная in Kharkov region. Attacks launched by missile troops and artillery have resulted in the prevention of enemy's attempts to cross the Zherebets River near Stelmachovka, Makeyevka in Lugansk People's Republic and Yampolovka in Donetsk People's Republic at Krasny Liman direction. Concentrated attacks launched by Russian artillery have resulted in the neutralization of 1 Ukrainian assault detachment that was redeploying towards Kirovsk in Donetsk People's Republic near Torskoye Forestry. Over 20 Ukrainian personnel and 4 armored motor vehicles have been eliminated. In total, 323 airplanes and 161 helicopters, 2,247 unmanned aerial vehicles, 380 air defense missile systems, 5,830 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 870 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,480 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,595 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.